Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney and today I'm showing you guys our new event space and studio. So we are really excited to finally get this space. It's only like 4 minutes from my house, which is really nice. But the thing is, we do have to do some cosmetic work. We need to make it, you know, that chosen photography, Sid and Tony Kell pizzazz on it. So we are taking down a wall. If you can hear, they're taking down the wall right now. My husband and my father-in-law, and we are going to lay down some new flooring. We might do that today. I think for sure we're gonna go to Lowe's and pick it up, and we're gonna paint it. So basically what it's gonna look like, an all white studio. So the flooring is gonna be like white wood, and then the walls will be all white. So it'll be really great. We're gonna have our own studio and event space. So yeah, I want to show you guys the inside. But also something that's kind of cool is that this event space is going to be smaller because it's for bridal showers, baby showers, rehearsal dinners, and more like small events. We can cater up to 74 people legally, but we're only going to advertise for like 60 just so it's not like squished and gross and stuff and just feels uncomfortable. So we're going to go ahead and get inside and you guys are going to see the before. So also before we get inside, actually I want to show you the outside. These are our doors. Very nice, big old windows. We have the blinds down right now just so it doesn't get too hot or anything. And my favorite part about this is since we are in the county, we have a lot of privacy, a big old parking lot, which is nice. A lot of small event spaces are in the city and there's no parking, just street parking. So this is nice to have a nice, big old private parking lot. So let's go ahead inside. They have me locked out.
Oh, hello, welcome.
Okay, so now they're taking down this wall. So this wall will go down. They're working on that today. This flooring, we're putting flooring over this flooring because we tried taking it off. It's very difficult. So there's that. Here's the walls that will be white. And then here's the big windows from the inside. Very big. Once those blinds are up too, like there's just so much natural light that just comes in here. So behind this wall will be gone, which is what they're working on. So it'll open up into this. This is just going to open up more space. This room will not be here. This will be all open. And then in here, we will have a door right here to here, which will be additional storage. So none of this will be here. This room will be gone. This wall will be gone. So from here, it'll open up into this nice little kitchenette area. And here, we're gonna paint these cabinets one of these colors. Literally, I can't pick which one. So one of those, and then the walls are gonna be like just straight up white. I'm gonna do like some marble contact paper here for this. And then these most likely will just come down and we're gonna do open shelves. So back here, this will still stay. This is the storage. We'll get a fridge and put back here, and then our tables and things like that. And then here's our bathroom, which is in great shape, so we're probably not gonna do anything to this. Hello. Big bathroom. I'll get like a nice chest for like a changing table and stuff. We'll probably keep the flooring the same in here just to save some money. But yeah, that is basically it. And now I need to put this flooring back together because this is where we were trying to take the tile off, and it didn't really work, so we decided that we're just gonna put flooring on top of this because it was just so difficult to take off. And that's that. What are you doing?
Tearing up the carpet.
Oh, it's dusty.
That's what would be if we, that's
the
concrete. Bottom, yeah. Yo, what's going on? Oh, my bad. I forgot I had my Gucci mask on. That's so embarrassing.
Gucci mask.
All right, so my dad left because there's some stuff I need to get just to make it easier. But this is what we have so far. We knocked down some of the wood. I got to get a screw gun and a knife so that I can nicely cut the drywall and take it down easier. So that's kind of what we're working with. So we still have to take down this drywall and then take down this door, and all this will be open. We gotta take down that drywall and that door on that end. And also that little skinny part of drywall right there. And then we're gonna take all that down, open this bad boy up. It's gonna look so good, so good.
Yes, it will. So guys, I thought we were gonna go back over there. We ended up not because I had to go to work this evening and do a photo shoot. So I was too tired, but we are eating dinner now. Tony made some teriyaki chicken, broccoli, and rice. We're having a glass of wine.
Yum, yum, yum.
Good cook, good cook.
Oh, thank you, little.
So we're gonna eat our food.
Hopefully find a good movie. It's
Hopefully
been
find a good
slacking
movie.
lately.
And enjoy some family time. It's funny because it was just like us, like date night, but now that we have him, we call ourselves a family, which is funny.
We are.
So we are a family, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. The next video, we're probably gonna tear up the wall, go crazy, put down new flooring, so I'm excited for you guys to see that. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you wanna see the transformation. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this.
And if you want this recipe, it's $5. You can pay Power Venmo us. I'll send
More
it
than
away.
5.
Yeah, you're right. It's
50.
$100.
Okay, $100.
$150.
Okay, bye guys.